Hello, myself Dr. Darshan Revanwar. Being a plastic and cosmetic surgeon, I wanted to tell you that the today's era's requirement is anti-aging. Everybody wants to look beautiful and very good, presentable, and need of the hour of today's society. So I wanted to stress this point to you that in anti-aging at our Cosmovision clinic placed at Khamla, Nagpur, we are carrying out the four prong therapy in the form of chemical peeling, Botox, fillers, and lasers. In chemical peeling, we are applying various different acids in different formulations at different periods to take out the blotchy pigmentation, to remove the fine lines, to remove the wrinkles, and to look and to give a very vibrant look. This is a very simple procedure, non-invasive, economical, and user-friendly. In second procedure, Botox, known as Botox, we are carrying out to remove the dynamic wrinkles or lines on the face, such as forehead lines, crow feet, bunny lines, marionette lines, and neck lines. Botox is a botulinum toxin, a very safe, naturally derived protein injected in the dermis at different locations with specified dose, and this treatment removes all these dynamic lines on your face which gives a very premature aging look, and it is carried out at 6 monthly intervals. It is also very safe procedure, OPD procedure, lunch hour procedure, you can call it as, and the peoples are now opting this procedure very much. The third procedure is fillers. The fillers are injections of hyaluronic acid, which is a naturally occurring gel-like substance in our body, which is depleted as the collagen depletes from the age of 30, and to restore it there is no drugs or any diet or any formulations. The only available line of modality in today's era is fillers. The fillers are pre-filled hyaluronic acid injections given in face at various levels such as zygomatic arch, brow, forehead, temple, mid-face, lip, lower third of the face, and some necklines, and such as to remove the static lines. The fillers are a very good boon for us. And the fourth, which is the last but not the least, treatment available modality in cosmetology is laser. The various lasers such as IPL, diode, CO2, Nd:YAG, excimer, and so on are a non-invasive, very economical OPD procedures carried out at different periods such as 3 weeks to 6 weeks duration to remove the port wine stains, hemangiomatous lesions, capillary lesions, then tattoos, then birthmarks, then scars, hypertrophic scars, keloids, and so on. So it is a boon for plastic surgery. So in such a manner, this four-pronged therapy such as chemical peeling, Botox, fillers, and lasers constitutes one of the modern armamentarium of cosmetic medicine. Thank you.